Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whichever one applies to you. I am RJ Williams, Director of Operations for the Green Crystal Technologies Global Cooperative Marketplace. I thank each and every one of you members for watching this instructional video. This video will take you through the Basecamp application. And just to let you know what Basecamp is for the cooperative, it is a project management and engagement platform that will provide you as a member one place to initiate, contract, and track all transactions in progress from stage to stage and in real time. A section for seller suppliers to post menus of available materials and contract grow opportunities. And that same section for buyers to look for available materials to purchase and directly post on those message boards of their need for materials. So that is exactly what we're going to do now. We're going to take you to your dashboard. And taking you to the dashboard just to let you know or remind you that once you go to your basecamp.com and you go ahead and put in your email and the password that you created, it'll take you directly to this dashboard. This will be your dashboard. And in this dashboard, you will see at least these three windows. We hope that you see these three, but we know you will definitely see these two from left to right. You will see the materials marketplace and you'll see space energy technology row, which we'll get to in another presentation. The third box, if you see it, well, lucky you and blessed you because it should be of one of your transactions in progress. And we hope you see a fourth box, a fifth box, and more because that will mean you will have more than one transaction in progress and hopefully closing for you. For the sake of this video, we will be getting into starting to talk about the materials marketplace section, and we'll be doing quick videos on each section within the marketplace that you will use to engage in it. For this video, we're talking about the Materials Contracting Opportunities message board. This will be the section that a seller will go to, and they will go ahead and add their available materials for sale. This will also be the section to where if a buyer has a need, they can go in this section and also place that need in a message on this message board. So let's just say, for instance, we have a seller and the seller wants to get their materials on the message board to let everyone know that they are available for purchase. So he would pick a category. And so that seller would click bulk molecules for purchase. And he'll say, since we're talking in the brand new lingo, he will say something like isolated molecules for sale. Okay. He then can go in here and write away. So we might type something in there like we have 2,000 kilograms available of 98% pure, less than 0.2% THC. Okay. He might add some more here, but what he can also do in this message is add either pictures, proof of life. He can add any particular file or video or media from his device to add to this message. Once he's done with his message and adding whatever attachments he wants to attach to the message, he can go down here and he has options to where he'll be able to select who is notified once he clicks post this message. I would say that on the common occurrence, you would want to go ahead and pick no one if you're the seller and you have materials up here because we're going to have buyers going to this area to take a look at this particular message post and other offerings. Okay. If you're a buyer, that actually is looking for materials and you've probably worked with a supplier seller before in the co-op, then you could go ahead and if you're posting this message that you needed, you can go ahead and click to only notify the people that you select. Okay, you can select anyone in the system to go ahead and make sure they're notified that you're putting out the need for the materials. But basically, all you do is post this message, and when you post the message, it'll be there. So to back on out of this section all the way, and if I was coming into the system now, I will see that there are messages there available. So if I am indeed a buyer, okay, I would go in here and I'd be able to see isolated molecules for sale, bulk molecules for purchase. It will be categorized there. I would go into the system. I can add a note and ask questions in response to the post that the seller made here, and then we'll go from there. But that is in essence how you were going ahead and leave that message there. Now, if you needed to go ahead and change the message, you would just click on this ellipsis, these three dots here, and you can edit it, you can move it, you can copy it, you can archive it for later on, put it in the trash. There's different options that you can perform to the message once you've created it. Okay. If you have any questions about this material contracting opportunity section, this message board in the materials marketplace section, please feel free to reach out to me. I am available. You'll probably see my contact information somewhere attached to this video if you have any more questions and need to go through this section once again. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll be back next time with a video about the materials marketplace and the documents and files section.